So we'll take out that T20 that's there. To start with, that's the Torx 20. This side, I'll get the big drill. Okay, so to get this melted part out, you can do it with a big soldering iron or a soldering iron if you're in the States. What I'm going to do is use this drill. This is a 5/16 drill. You could even go bigger, but I'm going for one which is a bit flat across the top. Also, this drill is a bit old and not sharp. If something's too sharp, it can sort of cut in. This one, as you'll see, will take a bit to drill down. We're going to drill that down, get that back edge off until this here comes loose. Okay, here we go. I might even lift that out of the way. So we'll say, as you can see, the benefit of having a slow blunt drill is it's going to happen slower, much less chance for mistake. It's getting close. You can see we're eating it away. A bit more over that side. Still holding on really firm. Let me get a screwdriver and see if I can't break that away now. Okay, so there's this top piece of plastic here, and then the next layer of plastic down is this, and the next layer of plastic down is this. It's part of the arm. So what we need is for, oh, here we go, that worked. See, that is separated away from that. And what you're looking for is a bit of movement. See if this hasn't separated as well. Yep, here we go. There's more Torx, more T20s. This is actually to take the armrest off. So I do remember from last time that to get this seated properly did actually require the whole armrest coming off. I'm just going to take that T20 out. Him out. Yeah, it's still really tight. Not only a matter of getting this one out, you then also have to get the next one in as well. So I'm just going to, it doesn't take long, just very quickly rip all these screws out. And along here, these are the ones that all hold the armrest on. They're all the same size, so you can mix them up. All the silver ones, the black ones are the bigger ones. And from the inside here, you can see these clips. So we know that the armrest, when it comes off, is going to slide this way and then come off when it unclips. Okay, so this is the loom going through to the switches on the armrest. So that, we just slide it down, that comes off. And then we carefully pick this up. And, as we said, this needs to go that way. Lift it up and wiggle. There we go, out. Room for the loom and the wires. That's the armrest out. So if you wanted to get your armrest out, get to these switches. That's there. Okay, so now we just need to lift this out, and it needs to like twist up. You'll see there's a little clip underneath that's holding in place. You need to lift that up, and you basically turn it that way to get it to come out. Make sure that's released. That's released. And there we go. Old, dodgy, genuine BMW one with that tacky tack that everyone, if you're doing this job, you know how unbelievable sticky and horrible that is. Comes out. The new one's not soft touch, but it's really quite a nice finish. And so that one's out, this one's in. So we just start reversing the process in the same way that, if you look down here, there's a clip, and that's what these guys here are for. We have to clip that in place there and then slide it in underneath, lining up with all of these screws and getting in particularly under there. And also once it's in, you see there's that plastic stub. We're going to drill into that and then put a screw and wash it to hold this in that place. We're going to replace the screw on that side. So first things first, it's a matter of getting that leading tab into place. There's two. You have to find out which one's going to line up, and it's different left and right hand doors, but they've accommodated for both. So lifting that up, getting that into place, sliding that in under there. Oh, look at that. Get your fingers out. Look at that. Okay, that's feeling like it's heading in the right direction. Now you turn it over. And from the other side, we just need to align this so that that sits properly on the armrest. And when that's positioned properly, we can get this into place. So we'll put this screw here back in place. It's one of those silver ones. And that'll hold it in place. I do recommend Ryobi drills that make things so much quicker. Had a couple of these. You'll see the old blue one I've had. I've had that and I've tried, gosh, for 15 years at least I've had that. Tried to kill it, done it on massive amounts of commercial work, still running. These are the new styles and they're just as good. I'll put a link to Ryobi drills as well. They're not expensive, but they're just really good. And if you're doing this sort of work, they just make everything so quick. I've got the clutch just set really low. You can set it to say 4 when you're doing this sort of work on the panel, then it'll get things up to the right tension for you as well. So the first one's screwed in. What we're going to do is just drill a little hole in that piece of plastic there, and then the handle actually came with a couple of little screws. We'll screw that down to hold that in place, and then we'll put the armrest back on. It's just a matter of putting things back together then. All right, so we're just going to drill a hole into this here so that we can fix it back down. That was a melted blob before, like one of these. Now we're going to put a hole into it. This is like a 1/16 drill bit. It'll just give the screw something to bite into. So this is the screw that came with the new kit, but it's way too small. I'm going to go with one about that size, putting a washer on it, so it's going to hold everything in place. Let's see how we go with this guy here. I'm going to use a hand screwdriver here because I just want to feel it as it goes in, get a feel for it. And the washer's a bit oversized, but that's fine. It's also all stainless steel, so that's good. There. That's going up nice and tight. The thing to check, of course, is how it looks on the other side. Oh, look at that. Absolutely perfect. Everything's flush, in place, looking spot on. That is such an improvement on the sticky mess that was there. Okay, let's put this all back together